Have you ever checked your bank account, seen a bunch of tiny transactions, $3 here, $7 there, and thought, it's just a few dollars, it doesn't matter? Because look, that was literally me for years. Coffee upgrades, random Amazon add-ons, app subscriptions. I swore I canceled, and every time I told myself the same lie. It's only $1 or $2. Here's the thing, those dollars are the exact reason most people never build real wealth. My name is Liam, and I spend way too much time thinking about how small money decisions quietly shape your entire financial future. If you're someone who earns money but still feels like it disappears faster than it should, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today, I'm going to show you the $1 rule and how it can quietly build over $100,000 without budgeting spreadsheets or extreme frugality. Challenge the assumption. Now, most people think wealth is built with big moves, big raises, big investments, big sacrifices. But here's what most people don't realize. Wealth is usually lost in $1 decisions long before it's built in $10,000 ones. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average American spends over $1,500 a year on miscellaneous expenses, things they can't even clearly remember buying. That's not luxury spending. That's invisible spending. What the $1 rule actually is. The $1 rule is simple. If you wouldn't buy it if it costs $1 more, you don't buy it. That's it. Now, this sounds almost stupidly simple, but this is where it gets really interesting. Because this rule isn't about the dollar. It's about forcing your brain to pause. Psychology behind it. Look, your brain is amazing, but also lazy. Behavioral economists call this decision fatigue. After a long day, your brain defaults to easy yeses. That's why impulse spending happens at night. That's why subscriptions pile up. That's why small purchases feel harmless. The $1 rule interrupts that autopilot. It forces you to ask, do I actually value this? Or am I just avoiding discomfort? Most of the time, the answer surprises you. The math that changes everything. Let's do real math. Say, the $1 rule saves you just $5 a day. That's it. $5 per day. $150 per month. $1,800 per year. Now invest that $150 monthly into a simple S&P 500 index fund, averaging a historical 8% return. After 30 years, that's over $200,000. Even at 25 years, you're crossing $100,000 from saying no to stuff you didn't even care about. Now you might be thinking, Liam, $5 a day won't change my life. And you're right, spending $5 doesn't matter. But training your identity absolutely does. Because once you master $5 decisions, $500 decisions stop feeling scary. This is how people accidentally become good with money. Think of it like brushing your teeth. One time doesn't change anything, but skipping it daily. Disaster. The $1 rule is financial hygiene. I had a friend, smart, good income, who swore investing didn't work for him. We tracked his spending for 30 days. He was leaking $247 a month on things he rated a 3 out of 10 in happiness. He didn't change his income. He didn't start a side hustle. He just applied the $1 rule. 2 years later, he crossed $25,000 invested and finally believed money could work for him. Here's how to apply it immediately. Start with discretionary spending, only coffee, apps, delivery, upgrades, not rent or groceries. Add a 10-second pause before buying. Would I still want this if it cost $1 more? Automatically invest the savings. Don't let it sit. Automation is everything. Track wins, not deprivation. This isn't about what you give up. It's about what you're building. Build toward the insight. Here's the truth. Most people don't fail financially because they're irresponsible. They fail because no one taught them that small choices compound too. And the $1 rule is proof. Look, you don't need to be perfect with money. You just need to be slightly more intentional than yesterday. If this video made you rethink even one small purchase, you're already ahead. Subscribe if you want more practical money systems that actually work in real life, not fantasy budgets. And remember, your future isn't built in giant moments. It's built quietly, $1 at a time.